Kojic acid, Kojic acid, Kojic acid. Everyone is talking about it on TikTok and even social media in general. What is the hype with Kojic acid? Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Matilda. So guys, I've been seeing Kojic acid every freaking way I turn, left, right, center. Kojic acid, Kojic acid, Kojic acid. So guys, today we're going to be talking about kojic acid, what you need to know before you start using kojic acid. Everything about kojic acid you need to know is in this video, so you need to keep on watching. So the first question is, what is kojic acid? What is this kojic acid everyone is talking about? Kojic acid is a skincare ingredient that is gotten from fungi such as mushroom, and it's also gotten from fermentation of food like rice. This skincare ingredient is really good at helping with your hyperpigmentation. It is an antioxidant and it also has antibacterial properties, so it can help with acne. So how does this kojic acid work? Kojic acid is a melanin inhibitor, and what does that mean? That means it suppresses the production of excess melanin in your skin. So this is the major reason why kojic acid is really good for helping with hyperpigmentation. Kojic acid is also a safer and milder alternative to hydroquinone when it comes to treating hyperpigmentation and dark spots. Now, if you've been on social media, you know kojic acid has been trending. And it's not just kojic acid that is trending, it's the kojic acid soap. This soap right here has been trending everywhere, but I want you guys to know a few things before you start buying into the trend of this kojic acid soap. First of all, you need to know that kojic acid is a skincare ingredient, so it doesn't come only in this soap form. This is just by a brand. This soap is just by a brand. It's not the epitome of kojic acid. You can see kojic acid in other skincare brands and skincare ingredients. It's formulated together, and it's not just this Kojie San soap. You can find kojic acid, but we're going to be talking about this soap today because this is what everybody is talking about. But what I'm going to say also applies to all other kojic acid products. So the first thing you need to know is that kojic acid is best used at low concentrations. The higher the concentration, the more prone you are to react to it, because kojic acid is a very strong and potent skincare ingredient. So when you're going to be using it, don't go overboard with it. Don't go for high concentration as high as 5% and above. You don't want that on your skin. So when you find kojic acid in formulated skincare products where kojic acid is infused as an ingredient, they usually put it in low concentration because kojic acid is a very unstable compound. So when skincare companies use it, they typically don't use it in a very high concentration. So when you're using kojic acid in that form, it's not really as potent. But when you're using it in that Kojie San soap, it is very concentrated. So this makes the soap really fast acting. Like the soap works quickly. Like you start seeing results from 1 to 2 weeks, 3 weeks, you're seeing results with this soap, which is why you need to take note of the next few things I'm going to talk about if you're going to be using this Kojie San soap. The first thing you should do when you buy this Kojie San soap is to do a patch test. Test it on your skin, a very small part of your skin, for a few days and see if you would have reactions, because some people were found to have reactions with this soap because they were going overboard with it. The soap wasn't working with their skin. Some soap works with their skin. So before you start using the soap, make sure you do a patch test. Even if you're not going to be using the Kojie San soap, if you're going to be using kojic acid in any form, make sure you do a patch test regardless, soap or no soap. Next thing you need to know about kojic acid, especially if you're going to be using the soap, is that you need to build a tolerance. You cannot be using that soap and kojic acid in general morning, night, every single day. Maybe you don't like your skin. So if you don't like your skin, go ahead and do that, and don't say Matilda who sent you, please. So when you're using that soap, so let's talk about the soap. When you're using that soap, try to infuse it a little by little into your skincare routine. Don't just start go ham with it. Once you see your skin is reacting well with the soap, then you can now move on to twice a week. But if you do the once a week and you start seeing reactions, immediately stop. Don't do anymore. Okay, it means that it's not good for your skin. If you're doing it twice a week and you start seeing reactions that are not favorable, then you cut it down to once a week. This soap is very potent. It is very potent, which leads me to my next point. This soap is extremely moisture stripping. Like, this soap is going to strip your skin of moisture, guys. So if you're going to be using the soap, make sure you load down your moisture. Like, your moisture should be on lockdown. Serums, essence, oh god, essences, okay, essence, serums, essence, moisturizer. Make sure you're using all of those because it strips your skin of moisture, and that will make your skin even more sensitive, which is why you shouldn't be using it every single day. You don't want your moisture barrier to be destroyed, because once it's destroyed, what you're even trying to treat, you're even going to make it worse. You start seeing more problems than you ever anticipated or ever imagined. So you don't want your moisture barrier to be destroyed. Like, we don't want that. Now, once your moisture barrier is destroyed, it makes your skin more sensitive to the sun. This sun, guys, this sun. So once your skin is more sensitive to the once your skin is more sensitive to the sun, I don't know what's wrong with my mouth today. Once your skin is more sensitive to the sun, it's going to make your hyperpigmentation worse, and you don't want the pressure to get worse. Okay, so you need to make sure you're loading down on your moisture. And this brings me to my next point. You guys are going to be sick of me. You know what I want to say, right? You know what I want to say. You know, just guess in the comment section what the next thing I want to say is. Sunscreen. So if you're going to be using the soap, or even if it's Kojic Acid in any form, make sure you are using sunscreen, because your skin is going to be more sensitive. Like, you can't escape that. Your skin is going to get more sensitive, which is why you need to be applying sunscreen. And lucky for you, I have a detailed video on sunscreen. I even have a whole playlist on everything sunscreen, so check it out here so you know everything about sunscreen. Sunscreen is very important once you are using all these actives in your skincare routine. So do not skip sunscreen. Sunscreen is a must. It's a must. Like, don't skip it. Now, the next thing I want you guys to know about Kojic Acid and this soap in general is that this particular soap, is not good for sensitive skin. If you have sensitive skin, please just stay far away, because it's going to make your skin more sensitive. It's very harsh. Like, this soap is very harsh. It's for the strong. Some people, they will use the soap and they will complain that, oh my god, my skin, this, that, blah, blah, blah. Some people use the soap and they'll be like, oh my god, this is the best thing that has ever happened to me. Oh my god, it makes my skin look so good. So if you have sensitive skin, tread with caution. Now, before you proceed to use Kojic Acid soap or any other Kojic Acid product in general, you need to know this. This is very important. This point is very important. Depending on the cause of your hyperpigmentation might come back if you stop using this Kojic Acid. Wait, hold on. So the thing is, if your hyperpigmentation is on the severe side, once you stop using this product, it might come back. But if your hyperpigmentation is not that serious, whatever dark spots, whatever you're treating is not that serious, you use the Kojic Acid, it's going to help it, it's going to clear it off, and once you stop using Kojic Acid, it's not going to come back. But if it's a very severe case, chances are it will come back. So it means that you would have to keep on using the Kojic Acid. Keep on using it and keep on using it, which is why you need to build a tolerance for it. So if you have to be using it every time to retain the state of your skin will get used to it. Like, okay, this is part of our routine now, so we're now used to this Kojic Acid. So you build a tolerance for it and you'll be good to go. Now, another thing I want to mention is that the cause of your hyperpigmentation. So, if the cause of your hyperpigmentation is not put in check, kojic acid might not really do it for you. I talked about this in detail in my hyperpigmentation video. You should check it out here. But if sun is what is causing your hyperpigmentation and you're not using sunscreen, kojic acid it's even going to get worse. Truly, truly, it will get worse. If it is sunburn you're trying to treat, make sure you're using sunscreen alongside with the kojic acid. Kojic acid also works with other ingredients like glycolic acid. On the other hand, you don't want to use very strong actives with kojic acid because it will be too harsh on your skin. Like using kojic acid and retinol. No, no bueno, don't do that. What you just need to do is make sure that whatever it is that is causing your hyperpigmentation, you've put it in check. Then while you're using your kojic acid, you're going to be good to go. You can keep on using it as long as you live. Another example is if it is acne. Maybe you're dealing with dark spots now. So you know that it's when you have acne, the acne leaves dark spots on your skin. If you're still developing acne, if you have a product that is helping you treat your acne alongside with your kojic acid, your skin is going to clear up and you're going to be happy. But if there's nothing that is treating your acne, forget that I said that kojic acid helps with acne. It's not that strong with acne treatments. It's nice. It's nice for acne, but it's not going to do so much work with your acne. So you need to get something else that will treat your acne. Kojic acid is primarily for hyperpigmentation, dark spot, because it brightens your skin, it lightens your skin. So that is its main function, its main role. So guys, another thing I would like to talk about with this Kojie San soap is that there are a lot of fakes in the market. A lot of fakes with this soap. This soap is trending everywhere, so you are bound to see a lot of fakes. So guys, you remember I did a video right here where I talked about where you can get original skincare products from if you're living in Nigeria. So you should definitely check out this video for where you can get Kojic acid, Kojic San soap. I know Shop with Tika 4 has it, so you can check Shop with Tika 4. If you guys want help with purchasing your skincare products, I'm your girl. I would help you to find whatever skincare product you want. Obviously, you're gonna pay me. It's at a price, a very small fee, just to help you out so you don't have to stress yourself about looking for where this product is, where this product is. If you don't have that time, give it to me. I'm gonna do it for you, okay? So guys, what have we gotten from this video? We know that kojic acid is good for hyperpigmentation. We know that the Kojic San soap is a very active, strong soap. So when you're using it, use it with caution. Do your research on the soap. Don't just use it because you see everybody using it. It might work for you, it might not work for you. It is very fast acting, so you should tread with caution. Don't overdo it. Guys, don't do patch yourself. No, they do patch yourself. So don't go overboard with it. Always use sunscreen. Sunscreen is a must when you're using kojic acid, because if you don't use sunscreen, my dear, your hyperpigmentation will get worse. Period. So guys, let me know in the comment section, which you be trying out kojic acid. Have you tried out kojic acid? What were your experiences? Let us know down in the comment section below. Or if you guys want me to talk about any other skincare ingredients or skincare products or any video ideas you have, leave it down in the comment section below. So guys, if you want to see me outside of YouTube, you can check me out on Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, Pinterest, TikTok, or Matilda Duku. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Please check out my other videos right here. I'm going to leave my skincare playlist right here, and I will leave another video right here where I talk about hyperpigmentation. So you should definitely check it out to know more about hyperpigmentation. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!